Welcome to my channel. Write a letter to your father telling him about your mother's illness. First write examination hall, then write the name of city, date. Dear father, my mother has been suffering from typhoid fever for 2 weeks. She is under treatment of Dr. Ahmed. The doctor has advised her bed rest for 2 weeks. These days she is feeling much better. The doctor attends her regularly. All of us look after her very carefully. Please pray for her recovery. With best regards, your loving son XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.